Hello friends, welcome to my cute munchkin. Today I will tell you home remedies for common cough and cold for 1 year and above baby. Take 2-inch ginger and start grating it. Please use fine grater for grating the ginger and wash ginger before use. Now squeeze the ginger with the help of cotton cloth or muslin cloth. Take a small airtight container and start squeezing the ginger by pressing it. Ginger juice is ready. Now add 3 tablespoons Patanjali honey. You can use any brand of honey. Now we'll add half pinch black pepper powder. With the help of spoon, mix thoroughly. Homemade cough syrup is ready. You can use this syrup for 1 week and keep it in a room temperature. Give half teaspoon to baby in morning, afternoon and night for 3 to 4 days. This syrup will works wonderfully and it will cure cough and cold. Not only children but adult can also use this syrup to cure cough and cold. Adult can take half tablespoon 3 to 4 times a day. Thank you friends for watching the video. And please subscribe my channel for more updates.